Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and it's WhatNot day. So we have our usual 2-inch circle punch. I've got some pieces of book page to use up. I have a piece of vellum and a napkin. So yeah, let's have some fun with the WhatNots. So I'm just going to pop out my circle. I have used whitish book page rather than the, here we go, first thing, can't get the circle out. Right, it's fine. Yeah, what I was saying, I was going to say I've used, let's just cut them all, get it over with. We'll do 3, I think. Let's see if I can get this one out. There we are. Yes, whitish paper, because the napkin doesn't really show up so much on the like the brownish old book page. So it's a good way to use up maybe book pages that are just slightly newer. And of course it would help if they came out of the punch. Get a bit bent, there we are. And I think it's because this is shiny paper. I'm not sure why that's doing that now. Anyway, that's them done. So I've got my 3 circles. Yeah, do you know, I think it's the type of paper is not cutting. It's as if the punch is blunt. But I think it's this paper. Anyway, we got there. WhatNots are supposed to be easy. We'll leave the vellum to the side for the moment. So I've taken the backing off, you know, the white backing that you get on napkins. So it just peels off. What I do is it's actually held together with these little embossed dots. But see, if you just rub it at a corner and get rid of the dots, then it will come apart. Trust me, it will come apart. I'm doing it from the open side, but it comes apart at the corner if you rub the dots. I didn't quite do it there, but you know that it will do it. You just have to be a little bit patient. So now we want to pick, what do we want to do on? Let's do the bee. So to get the image, this is just water. I know it looks a bit, I think I had something else in the bottle at some point. And we're just going to go around the image with the water. Just loosely. In fact, let's do them all while we're here. We will do a yellow butterfly. And the ladybird. Why not? Right, so that's all our images. So we don't need the water or the paintbrush anymore. And we're just going to very gently. So what I do is I hold my thumb over the bit that I don't want ripped, because it's quite fragile. You don't need to get all the edge off, but you want to get some of it off. So that it just fits on. Here we are. And we'll get this butterfly. And again, we just want to hold and pull the little damp bits of napkin, and it makes it quite fluffy, if you like, around the edges, so that it will merge in. Oops, where did it go? It flew away. It will merge into the paper, and you can see the paper shining through a little bit. So we've got that and our ladybird. And the water here has dried up a little bit. So just wasn't quite fast enough. Here we are. So you could do this with any type of napkin. It's a flowery one, or even just a pattern. I just happen to have this one. With the little butterflies and bugs on. I think I maybe want it that way, but you'll see why. Okay, so the vellum, I am going to do a little ziggy zag. Let's just move them up there just now. About a centimetre, maybe a centimetre and a half, maybe just a smidgen over a centimetre strip. Yeah, and I'm going to do a rough, not straight, fan concertina. Just fold it just roughly. You don't want it to be straight, you know, straight up and down like a fan. You want it to have a bit of a wiggle going on, if you know what I mean. So just roughly like that, and that's just going to sit across there like that. If we put that up and down the way, then I think, oh no, there's still room. There's still room. So let's do them up and down. Right, I've just got my glue stick, and I'm just roughly going to put that where the ladybird's going to go. So you want your image to be on the top half if possible, and then we'll just do a bit across like that, just to keep that in place, because I'm going to do a row of machine stitch across that. Now, if you don't have a machine, then you know, you just glue it all together. You need to glue each piece, each fold. You would need to just run along it with some glue, or you could staple it on. You could hand stitch it, like slow stitch it. So there's other ways of attaching the vellum. And if all of your image doesn't go on, it doesn't matter, you can do it off the edge. Just take the little bit excess napkin off. Just get our vellum trim. Just to hold it in place till I take it to the sewing machine. And our little bumble. And I realise that this paper is quite floppy, but these WhatNots aren't going to be standalone pieces that you would take in and out of your journal anyway. They will be just glued on to a corner. Oh, I haven't done my thingy. Oh, this is a narrower one. That's okay. It doesn't matter. Makes it all slightly different. I think I quite like it with the narrower bit. In fact, we've got a fat one, a middle one and a narrow one. That's okay. Right, okay, I'm going to go to the sewing machine. Right, so that's them, a nice little zigzag. I'm going to leave the threads a little bit. I think it just adds a wee bit to the look. Just a little bit too long there. Right. Okay, I'm going to give them a little bit of an edge with Vintage Photo. And then we'll do the final little finishing touch. Of course, you could have inked before you attached the vellum piece, but hey ho, it's fine. Right, so our little finishing word. So let's pick out 3 nice words. What about you think it would be easy to find words? What about imagine? Put imagine over here. Imagine, imagine Mrs. McFadgen laid an egg and here it was a badgin. Story. Story and smile on the butterfly. There we are. So 1, 2, 3, and where is my little dish? So what do you think? Napkin, book page, little bit of vellum, and yeah, quite pleased with them. I think they'll look nice. Let me just grab a journal and we can see what one of them would look like in a wee corner. We could have one, which one? would be nice there. And there's a wee space up here. Now what would be nice there? The yellow with the purple. That would be nice there. Yeah. Happy with them. Okay, but we'll put them in the dish just now. And yeah, so that's WhatNot number, oh my goodness, let me look at my book. WhatNot, oh, it doesn't say what number it is, but I think it's maybe number 5 or 6 maybe. Who knows? I'll look up and it'll be in the title. Okay, so thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.